5 open source projects squeeze more AI work onto local hardware, and the biggest payoff lands at number 1. Number 5, Diagram Design, 29 editorial diagram types for Claude Code, self-contained HTML plus SVG, no shadows and no mermaid slop. It matches your brand in 60 seconds by reading your website. The pitch is blunt, the alternative is that I'd either fight with Figma for 30 minutes or just skip the diagram. What you get instead are editorial diagrams your designer won't hate. Static HTML remains the default, optional motion is available for ordered explanations. The skill also redraws draw.io or mermaid sources at a chosen format, size, and detail level. Number 4, FluidVoice, the fastest and only macOS dictation app with on-device STT and a custom-trained AI enhancement model. It is an open-source voice-to-text dictation app, and a local Wisp or Flow alternative. No cloud, no API keys, no data leaving your Mac. Fluid Intelligence is a fully local AI model for on-device dictation enhancement. This project is free and open source under GPL v3. Set up FluidVoice using brew install, cask FluidVoice, or take the manual download of the latest release. If FluidVoice is useful to you, please star the repository, it helps visibility and keeps development going. Number 3, Needle, a 14 megabytes foundation model for tiny devices, phones, wearables, smart home, and robots. What makes Needle unusual? The whole model is a single 14 megabytes binary that runs a full session in about 28 megabytes of RAM. Needle 2 is an open 45M parameter model for tool calling, device use and structured extraction. Start Needle with pip install Cactus Needle. Weights are baked into a single 14 megabytes engine, so there are no separate model files to manage, and inference does no network. Number 2, Soup, fine-tune LLMs from 1YAML. Layer streaming trains an 8B model on a 4 GB laptop GPU, and a simple YAML file is all you need. Soup matters because it takes the cluster out of fine-tuning, 0 SSH, so you never SSH into a broken GPU box again. Batch size, GPU detection and quantization are handled for you. Run pip install, soup CLI, train, to begin. It works locally and trains on your own GPU with QLORA, so no cloud is required. Number 1, Unsloth, train LLMs, Diffusion, TTS, and embedding models 2 times faster with 70% less VRAM. Unsloth lets you run, train, and deploy AI models locally, with support for all types of models. What sets Unsloth apart is the native desktop app. Download the Unsloth desktop app for your operating system from Unsloth or GitHub releases, and the stack runs on your own machine. Unsloth is the first desktop app to run and train models, so one install covers both inference and fine-tuning. Or if you prefer to install manually, that path is still there. For comparison, GitHub currently shows Unsloth at 72k stars. GitHub currently shows Needle at 6k stars. Choose the repository that fits your workflow, inspect its evidence, and return tomorrow for another open source countdown.